persons will focus on your background verification process. First person, your recruiter. Once you got selected, your recruiter will enable link to you. You need to upload the documents. Okay. To upload the documents, he should enable the link to upload your background verification related documents. Once you upload it, your background verification team will not get the access. Your recruiter should give access to your background verification team to download your documents, to access your documents. They will download your documents, they will start to do the background verification. Usually it will take 14 to 28 days to complete your background verification. So if you don't receive any status on your background verification, at least you should receive status 14 days to 28 days. If you don't receive any status about your background verification, after 28 days, you can approach to your recruiter. Usually in big MNCs, once your background verification completed, they will approach to you, they will notify you. If they suspect something, after 28 days, they will not communicate to you. So, which means after 28 days, if you don't receive any email communication about your background verification status, you need to approach your recruiter. If they don't approach, if they don't respond to your call, which means you're going to miss the opportunity. They suspect something in your documents. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel and always give thumbs up. Take care. Bye-bye.